What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We got this 05 BMW X5 belonging to a female customer that about 2 years ago we did her Dodge Charger this same color. She decided to step it up and get another vehicle and put the same pink. As y'all can see, we did the inside, we did the door jambs, we did the back hatch, top and bottom. Shout out to Chad for putting the names back on the side like he did in the previous Charger she had. As y'all gonna see in the previous pictures, we took this vehicle totally apart so that everything looks clean and factory. That's part of the crew right there. We got young Carter P and my nephew Gene. What's up, man? How you feel about the truck?
I like it. Everything was done to the fullest, and we did our best. So, customer, she should like it too. She should love it, actually.
Yeah, okay, whatever. She's standing over there. See if she want to come be in the video. Y'all see it. Wet sand and buffed out. John's Restoration. Ain't no stopping us. We not stopping. Only one that can put my shop down is God Himself. And the way I pray to Him and the way I worship Him, He ain't letting me fall. So just to let y'all know out there, John's Restoration, we're gonna be around. You already in the video, they see you in the background. It's the one with the pink pants on, it's her vehicle. This truck came in all silver. Now she's waiting for her rims to come in, and then we're gonna respray the black along the bottom in a few weeks when the pink dries all the way. Y'all know paint dries from the inside out. So we're gonna get it enough time to tack up so we can tape to it and shoot all the black, the parts that we can't pop off. Y'all see that logo? Would you like to say something about your vehicle, ma'am? It's the second one you got done with John's Restoration. You don't want to...
We love it!
Oh, you gotta come over here. All right, well, I'll come to you. I didn't hear you.
We love it. Thank you, John.
All right, and you are?
Oh my gosh, I'm Junt.
That's Junt right there. And behind me, we have the owner of the vehicle.
Yeah, third time.
Y'all see it. That's the owner. John's Restoration, you know, we definitely appreciate the customers. Without them, we nobody. So we definitely appreciate them. Especially the ones that have patience with us and the ones that can recognize if there's a problem. John's Restoration been in business 14 years. So no need to shy away, stay away, or, you know, be on the computer with this and that of the negative sort. You know, if you got a problem with John's Restoration, just let us know. We stand behind our work. We'll correct it and get it right as long as it's in reason. And we'll keep it moving. Once again, we're not just a custom shop. We do all sorts of insurance claims, and I work with your deductibles. So give me a call at 757-713-2277. Or you can email me at johnsrestoration@aol.com. That's JOHNS restoration@aol.com. Good day.